Good morning. I haven't vlogged at work in a while, but I wanted to vlog just because of this. Like, I had something to watch. Yo, this is a fucking thing. Like, what the heck? They have cinnamon sugar, bro. Like, yo, son. So, like, I'm at the gas station. This fucking transsexual is like, just motherfucker asked me for a ride, like, up the street. If you can go to different, like, cars and stuff and ask him for, like, rides, cause like I said, he said he lived, like, up the street. I'm like, well, you can walk up the street. Tell me something, which way are you going? Motherfucker. I was like, I don't like people in my car. Which I don't. But I don't like people in my car. With the homie A-Rob. What's up? We're on our way to Virginia. Alright, so we here. I'm not very impressed with this fucking parking lot. You would think with the luxury fucking vehicle they would have a parking lot. That's his fucking answer to everything. Whatever. I was asking a question. I was asking why he do that. Whatever. He don't care about nothing. That's his look on life. He don't care. Even if it affects other people. He don't care.
Alright now.
See? He don't care. I should have recorded that shit. He doesn't care.
You should have recorded that shit.
And this is Turtle, y'all. If I was with Brandon or Vic's Rex, would have been walking by now. He's slower than the girl. It's like, no. This is what I deal with. Do y'all's little brothers do this shit? Is they slow? My big brother slow. Call him Turtle too. Hey, shut up! I'm vlogging. The fuck's wrong with you?
They don't care.
Yeah, I see they don't care. Fuck you, train.
Actually, that was
Shh. You should what?
That was a truck.
Where all these fucking gnats and shit come from? I'm tired of it. I'm tired of his shit.
Just talk to the hat.
Huh?
Just talk to the hat.
How about that? Yeah, well, so the Bentley GT3R. I mean, I knew they stopped making it, but I thought they would at least have something. Like, they didn't answer their emails. Like, I emailed them, like, answer your fucking emails. Like, it's a simple email saying we don't have that, or whatever it would have been. But they don't answer their emails, so I came up here. But yeah, I'm gonna try to find that Honda dealership where we were at, me and Vic's Rex and shit were at, because over there it seems like really mellow. So yeah, he don't care.
All right now.
As always. Oh look, it's the Aston Martin. It's the Aston Martin. Yeah, I said Aston. What you gonna do about it? Okay, I'm leaving. They're fucking going crazy over here. Y'all just did not know that these shits were like stock wheels. It's just kind of nice. But we're at the Honda dealership. I'm about to check out some shit. No, hold up. You went with me with that guy with the matte black, right? I think I did. Yeah. Yo, he added me on Instagram. This shit, like, I don't like the hatches, but this is like kind of nice. But they also said look for the price, cause like that shit is like, they said it's like overpriced. You can get like better deals and stuff like that.
Well, if you get the older models, like with the
high,
you'll be getting 34 miles to the gallon.
Yeah. See, I don't know if y'all remember, but like this is the one I was looking at. What's that? I'm sorry, but this was the one I was looking at Annapolis, and that fucking idiot was like focusing on my friend. I was sitting there trying to explain to this dude like what I needed. Alright, so unlike the Annapolis shit, like the guy is actually like helping me out. So, cause like I said, the guy at the Annapolis thing, like he wouldn't even like let me test drive it. He kept just saying okay. I'm like, let me fucking test drive to see if I actually want it. Like, what the fuck?
Turn right. Make another right.
This guy right here, I'm sitting there telling him to record me rhyme. He was like, you're not gonna do it because I'm driving. That was the point of the vlog there. That was the point of the vlog. Like, what the? I don't know. He's too, like, by the book. He's too by the book, dude. He can't.
Oh, no.
He can't. What the fuck? Why is it so bright? Alright, so we at the Subi dealer shit. But, what this motherfucker? But right now, it's like, I'm looking because, like I said, like I talked to y'all, I want to turn that into, like, either a track car or a show car. And, like, I don't want to daily that shit. So, it's like, I'm always open to keep my options open.
I think you'd rather do that as a show car.
Show car, that one. Yeah. See, the only thing is, like, another thing, too, like, I wanted to... I'm gonna block this out. But.
Yeah, don't tell your ideas out there.
Yeah, but we at the Subi dealer shit. Probably not gonna vlog as much because he sucks at helping me vlog.
I'm sorry.
But but I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. I'm just gonna look at these Subis right quick and probably talk to these people. I just don't like blue for reasons.
I like this color.
It's a fucking stick.
A little bit darker.
So that I want a fucking automatic, but they don't have it.
That's not bad.
What?
29,000. Basically the over. And this is the one model that actually has the seatbelt thing that goes up and over.
Yeah. I think that's most of the 90s cars though. And this shit is clean as hell too.
It's well taken care of. All original. That's a Legacy L all-wheel drive.
It's a De La fucking Soul. De La Soul, bro. Look at these fucking jewels.
There's an older Subaru right
I'm gonna touch it.
Oh, there's a Honda Prelude.
This is a homage beat.
The guy here, like, I wanted the younger guy. The younger guy was cooler, but the older dude was like a fucking pushy as shit. So I didn't even bother asking him to test drive. Like, what if I liked the car, but just didn't like how it drove? Like, get the fuck out of here.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.